What if religion doesn't just tell people what to believe, but actually shapes who they become? Across history, religion has been one of the strongest forces shaping individual behavior, moral boundaries, and social identity. Islam offers a particularly rich example because it emerged not only as a belief system, but as a complete moral framework guiding everyday life. In 7th century Arabia, Islam transformed tribal society by redefining the individual's worth. Status was no longer based on lineage or power, but on moral accountability and intention. Practices like prayer, fasting, charity, and ethical trade disciplined the self, creating what sociologists call an internal moral compass. Classical Muslim thinkers understood this deeply. Ibn Khaldun, often called a founder of sociology, argued that religion strengthens asabiya, social cohesion, by shaping disciplined individuals who act for the collective good. For him, faith was not abstract belief, but a force that organized behavior, loyalty, and self-restraint. Moving into the modern era, Ali Shariati viewed Islam as a system of moral resistance. He argued that religious values form individuals who are socially conscious, ethically driven, and resistant to injustice. Faith, in his view, produces responsibility, not passivity. More recently, sociologist Saba Mahmood challenged Western assumptions about agency. Through her study of Muslim women, she showed how religious practices cultivate virtues like patience, humility, and self-discipline, demonstrating that values shape behavior even when they don't fit liberal models of freedom. From a sociological perspective, religion works through daily rituals, moral narratives, and shared meanings. It shapes how individuals see success, suffering, responsibility, and purpose. Islam emphasizes intention, accountability, and ethical consistency, values that quietly structure behavior long before laws intervene. In a world facing moral uncertainty, religion reminds us that values are not optional. They are learned, practiced, and embodied. If you're interested in how belief systems shape society and how values shape who we become, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who enjoys thinking deeply about human behavior.